Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Seems like we are seeing right now a lot of copy traders. Let's look at last 30 days. They have a profit sharing. These traders are gonna win big. And here's what I presume is gonna happen in the following days. You know, there's a lot of traders going out there, a lot of leaderboards, a lot of basically master traders going at it. And a lot of people who don't know about crypto or don't know how to trade, master trading, and just trading in general could win big, could win, a lot of these traders a lot of money. And that's what I love about Bybit copy trading and all these exchanges doing copy trading. Yeah, there's better things than copy trading to earn money, but this one, you don't really have to trade. So which copy trader should you actually pick? And in my honest opinion, you shouldn't be looking, at highest ROI. You should be actually looking at the traders that are going to sustain you long term. So traders with over 10% ROI and a max drawdown of less than 20% in the last 30 days, which means they're not going to be like so volatile. So if you want to keep your money, well, then you want to be using a different trader. Look, this guy made 600K in 600 per year. So average $600,000. He hit his assets. He has a profit sharing of 15, which is pretty crazy to me if you ask me. That's pretty insane. Look at his 90 days. He went from 0.88 to 20% ROI. 20% ROI. I mean, a lot of people, they don't put a lot of money. Some people do. Like someone put 6K, right? And some people lost 1,300. There's not only winners, but if people followed, some people put 6K and they won $1,600, which is pretty awesome. I personally love to see that, but there's a lot of traders that are earning huge potential. Obviously, this guy lost big today. On the big chart, it doesn't mean that much. But he also made a huge 14%. He made a 10% in one day trade. 10%. Can you believe it? But he also lost 14% in one day, which to me, and then he made back to from minus 14 to 14, which is pretty crazy. Like one day he lost $1,500. He's doing some different trades too. He's doing like with Pepe. He's trading actually with Pepe coin, and that's what big difference it makes. The copy trading is like a wild west right there. You don't know if you're gonna win or if you're gonna lose. But in my honest opinion, a lot of people that put in the right copy traders have made thousands of dollars. Let's check at the leaderboards over here. People have made, like even master traders made $5,000 this week. Like that's pretty crazy to me. $5,000 is a lot of money, especially in a week. $4,000. This guy, $4,000, $4,000, $2,000. I don't know if this is master traders or all traders. But still, some people made yesterday $200,000. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Be sure to smash that like button and be sure to use the link in the description below. Until next time, peace everyone.